Is this cool?
Yeah.
What are we gonna tear down now? So here we are again, Remove It Pro's Demolition, and we're going to do something we hope isn't very stupid. It's going to be very fun though, very interesting. We're going to take a junk truck and we're going to run it down this driveway on this dirt ramp that we just made this morning, and we're running into that house just to see what's going to happen. It should be very interesting to see what happens here. It's got bald tires. I just don't think the damn thing's gonna get enough traction. Wonder if we should push it with another vehicle. Push it just to give it more traction, to get it more speed. All right, can we use your truck? How do you want to do this? You want to just stomp it and let her go? That's good, the car made it.
Video, that's gonna be cool. As long as it don't hit the freaking excavator.
Go get a cinder block. I don't think that's heavy enough. You want to do it with a jack?
So what we're doing here is we are taking a strap and strapping the steering wheel, trying to keep it straight, and then we have a electric seat, and I did a little bit of research on this. So what we'll do is we'll put a 2x4 in front of the electric seat, and we use the electric seat to give the accelerator the power that it needs.
Hey, is this in my job description?
The problem that we're having for these things is these tires on this truck are so bald, and we really don't have enough distance on the driveway to get the truck to have enough traction to hit that ramp right.
I wish we had junkier trucks because we could push it with a truck. You see, it was going just fine. It's that slippeage. It keeps wanting to go that way.
So here we go, just giving it some practice runs. If you notice the plywood there, I put the plywood there because the ramp kind of goes up a little abruptly, and that gives it a little less friction when it hits. This is fun. I mean, we had a blast. We got Logan and Talon. Those are kind of like my two kids. That's a friend of a friend right there, and he brought us the truck. We got Kenny, our editor, and his whole family out there, and we've got Cliff and his daughter out there with us. He's one of our key guys. Here we go. And we run into a piling. Unbelievable. And you know what's shocking is every time we did this, that truck started right back up, including when we trashed the radiator and everything. We just ripped the radiator off of the truck and threw it away. And we only turned the truck on long enough to get it to take off. And it was cooler part of the year here in Florida, and it worked, and it never overheated or anything. Shocker. So the guy that brought us the truck, he wanted the motor out of it. The motor in the truck is very good. The truck is just shot. So here we are, you know, jumping that truck, and it's just crazy. Every time we sent the truck over there for this first 6 or 7 times, it just never would hit where we wanted it to hit. I'm blaming it all on those bald tires.
Pull it back, let's do it again.
Front end on this truck was so worn out, nobody fixed anything on it. And as you'll see, as the truck goes on, it's losing more and more and more of its parts in the front. This time, it just goes over and just barely hangs off the end of the ramp.
Well, the first time we go off to this side, and the second time we go off to this side even more, and we just can't figure out how to get the steering wheel jacked up. And this truck is so far out of alignment, and the tires are so bald, we can't get the traction. So here we are taking off the hood so we can get to the battery to put the battery back on. And he ripped the door off by accident, getting it out. So we're gonna bring it back here, we're gonna run it again, see if we can get it into the house.
Ram tough.
Ram tough, yeah.
Right where it's going, it's heading towards the trees.
And here we go again. And bam, right into a tree. It's freaking crazy. You see the chain plop up when he did that? So that Lantern Motors is one of my buddies. He sent us the truck. He didn't have anything right now that was running, so he sent this buddy of his out there. It was a lot of fun. So there's Talon pushing the truck back. They're trying to give it traction. Literally, the tires are just shot. Here you are, the fifth time. Truck flips over on its side and is still running, or was still running. They got it turned off.
Well, we don't want to do it that way.
We're doing good. Hey.
Two to one side, one to the other. Hey, it's a video.
That excavator, those things are so powerful. That's a 5,000 pound truck or more, and it jerks it around like it's a toy. It's just crazy. I love our toys. I love the toys we have here. The steering wheel's jacked up. Truck's so far out of alignment that we're having a hard time getting it to hit the house. We don't want to send anybody in the truck into the house because we don't want any of our family members to get hurt. If we keep doing this stuff, I'm going to buy a stunt truck remote setup.
Somebody hit my mirror. Oh my God. Oh,
my God.
Oh. You want a souvenir?
So there you go. There's Jet. That is Kenny's son. He just thought this was cool as all get out. You've seen Sepio's there and Madeline.
There you go. Here's your souvenir.
There you go.
Got your very own mirror.
What do you think?
Madeline want a souvenir too? We're going to give you the car door. All right, come back up, hit it here, and pull that off.
And then here we are. We're ripping off the radiator. It's kind of funny.
All right, it'll run. It should probably run. Go ahead.
You know, I grew up poor. We fixed our own stuff. I drove more stuff and nursed it along to get it back home so I could fix it.
Guys, the air conditioning no longer works.
So I pushed the envelope all the time, so I kind of knew that we could get away with this until we got done with the truck. And again, this guy, he didn't want anything about the truck, but he wanted to keep the motor. And man, that sounds healthy. It's a Hemi engine.
It missed the whole house.
Look at that. We completely missed the building. How do you even do that? We couldn't have planned it and done that. Look at that. It goes all the way around the building, doesn't even hit the end of it. And it's still running. It ran into a tree over there and it's still running. So Logan backed it up underneath the house and got it out of there. And you see this other piling we hit that first time and it knocked the piling over. So this is one of the houses. Two of the other houses, we pulled them over with the Jeeps. We did all this the same day. And there you go. The door's tweaked. The hood's gone. Front bumper's tweaked. Tires are bald. So we pulled it out like this. We didn't even want to leave it running long enough. So we turned it around with the excavator. So here we are. They're checking the oil to try to make sure it's got some oil in it so it'll still stay running. He's trying not to blow the engine up. He wasn't going to be crazy mad if we did blow the motor.
And if we had ramps, we'd have not done anything even close. We're all right. Nobody's gotten hurt. That's the key. We're having fun and nobody's getting hurt. All right, there you go. Whoever's going to do the death-defying trip.
So there's Logan playing with his toys.
It's gonna be the closest thing to a parachute jump you've seen since you left the service.
Here we go, 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 here we go. And
Long about now, I bet that boy wishes he had a parachute.
We made it! 7th try. There it is, going into the house. My trajectory on my plan and my design on my ramp worked very good. I just guesstimated that. How do you like that? Oh, yeah! Good guess for someone with no experience on doing car ramps. There we are. We're in the house. It's still running. It's making a crazy noise. We think it might be on fire.
Is it on fire? Hey, Sepio, get the fire extinguishers. Do it again. No, the drive shaft's off. That's what the noise was.
Dude, that was perfect. That was perfect. I did that.
That's gonna be on Lander Motors commercial.
So it hits the refrigerator that's inside.
So let's see, this is the 4th time? 7 times. So what, the first time it went off this side and hit that. Second time it went off this side and hit over here. And it keeps starting. The 3rd time it goes under. 4th time it flips off over on this side. 5th time it went all the way up and missed the house completely. Exactly what we planned on the 7th time.
I hope you enjoyed this. It was fun.
It all starts with a thought. What do you think of that, buddy? You wanna go up there and look at it? Let's go up here. What do you think of that truck sticking in the house? Pretty crazy, huh? You know what? I think you have a really cool dad. What do you think?
Here we are just dragging it out. Boy, that truck took some abuse. Truck really technically is in amazingly good shape for what we did to it.
You want to beat the house with it? Whatever way you want, just don't the motor up.
There's Jet. Jet out there with our flag.
Put the truck on the roof. Okay. The truck on the roof. He's getting, oh, what? He's squinching it. He's squinching the truck. Oh my God. He squished the truck. He's putting the truck on the roof.
So here we go, picking it up, and we're gonna set it on the roof. Kind of fun. And then beat the house with the truck and beat it and beat it and beat it and beat it.
What do you think, Jet? You think that's pretty cool? I've never seen a truck on a roof before.
We got this 5,000 pound truck and he is beating the house with it like it's a little toy. Unbelievable. Look at how trash that truck is. Oh my God. You know, and Logan and I, we don't run this stuff every day. We know how to do it. We can do a pretty decent job, but we're nothing like Colton. Colton is a skilled operator. It's amazing what he can do. But look at that, taking that 5,000 pound truck and using it as a wrecking ball to beat this house. Look at that house. It's all racked up. There we are. We're going to set it back down and get it ready and put it up on this guy's trailer, and he's going to take it home, and I guess he's going to have to get his torch out and cut that motor out of there.
Come on, Jet. We're gonna be on TV. So, what a great day this ended up being. We missed the house so many times. It was really funny. We missed it going this way, we missed it going that way. We flipped the truck over on its side. We completely missed the house at all. And finally, we got it lined up just right, went right through the bay windows, just like we planned. It was priceless. What a fun day. What do you think, Jeff? You think that was the coolest thing ever?
Yeah, and it broke the car.
Was there a truck on the roof?
Yeah, truck on the roof.
That's crazy, having a truck on the roof. All right, well, thank you, Remove It Pros Demolition. We'll see you on the next video. All right, truck on the roof, truck on the roof, truck on the roof.
Hey, we got a new thing going on here. We're gonna have a daily vlog. The reason that we're doing this whole channel is to build our brand awareness. We're gonna have different things that we do, and we're gonna teach people how to do it. We're gonna expand Remove It Pros all the way through the state of Florida. And then outside of the state of Florida, we will teach people through courses and stuff how to do what we do. I mean, demo is pretty simple stuff, but the way we do it is completely different. If you want to follow our daily vlog, we just started that a couple days ago. It'll be every day for at least 365 days. That's it. Thank you for watching Remove It Pros Demolition, and we'll see you on the next video.